In today's era of high popularity of digital networking, recruiting people to work from home is no longer a temporary option, but an optimization of labor cost expansion. Overclocking editing, an important model to improve overall operational efficiency, its core advantages are concentrated in the following: like this efficiency, talent expansion, flexible operation, employee, and other 4 dimensions. It is not only very suitable for internet self-media, online operation digital marketing. Light operation industries such as content creation can also be used as traditional enterprises. It is an important way for physical enterprises to supplement manpower, which can also be displayed while maximizing the operational efficiency of enterprises. Improving the work experience of employees ultimately realizes a two-way relationship between the enterprise and the employee. Value enhancement, long-term supply development. First of all, let's look at the first point, which is also the most direct advantage that enterprises care about the most. Yo-Yo television series exclusive. In the offline office model, the cost that enterprises have to bear is far greater than that of many people. The more intuitive it is to imagine the cost of office space, and the enterprise needs to provide for each employee. Provide a fixed office. Public health bears daily water and electricity bills, property fees, rent of the building, and maintenance and security of public areas, cleaning and other expenses, especially in first-tier cities. The comprehensive cost of a workstation per employee in the core business district industrial park can easily reach thousands of yuan, and the larger the scale. This expenditure is more staggering when the business scales. After recruiting home office workers, the cost of office space can be directly reduced to 30% to 60%, and the burden reduction effect is very obvious. In addition to the hardware of the site, the investment in home office can also reduce the daily office of enterprises in administrative logistics. Leopard wood, equipment maintenance, commuting subsidies, catering subsidies, a series of additional fees for key venues. Long-term expenditure is not a core position. The labor supporting costs will also follow. Drastically reducing these saved real money enterprises can be more efficient again. Resource allocation is concentrated in core business. R&D, product upgrade, market expansion, brand building, these are really possible. The key link for enterprises to create value and enhance competitiveness. Let every penny go to the cutting edge. Maximize resource utilization efficiency. More importantly, working from home depends on manpower. It also has huge advantages in terms of cost structure. Most of the current home office models are adopted. Chinbua labor, remote contract system, project cooperation system, and other methods. Many positions can be settled according to the work results, project progress, and service hours. Worry is not the traditional full-time shift fixed core fixed social security fixed. In this way, enterprises can control labor costs more flexibly. Effectively reduce changes in the economic environment caused by market fluctuations and business adjustments. Operational risks make the financial structure of enterprises more stable and more resistant to risks. Next, let's look at the second core advantage. Expanding the boundaries of talent recruitment truly breaks geographical restrictions, which is also a home office model. The core competitiveness. One of the biggest pain points of traditional recruitment is that it is subject to hellish commuting city life. Strict cost restrictions allow companies to screen talent only locally or in surrounding cities. The competition for high-quality talents is fierce. The recruitment cost is high, and there are often dilemmas that the people you want to recruit cannot be recruited, and the people you recruit are not suitable, and the right people cannot be retained. And after the opening of home work, the scope of dropping for businesses is no longer limited to one city or one place. It can be for the whole country or even the world. Find more suitable talent. This means that enterprises can easily absorb third and fourth-tier cities. At present, High-quality talents in urban and even remote areas are often high. Solid professional ability, stable work mentality, and at the same time, reduced local cost of living. Salary expectations are more reasonable, and enterprises can achieve cost-effective attraction with better costs. High-quality employment, especially for some highly professional. Scarce positions with uneven geographical distribution, such as senior copywriting planning RE, data annotation, remote technology development, cross-border e-commerce operation professional design, online education lecturer, etc. Traditional offline recruitment is difficult to find the right person quickly, and remote work from home mode. It can directly break through the regional talent gap and match. Highly professional and highly matched personnel really solve the enterprise. It is difficult to recruit talents for a long time, and it is even more difficult to recruit naive people. Recruiting professionals is a pain point in the industry of going south to Canaan. Steadily improve the professional ability and comprehensive competitiveness of the whole team for the long-term development of the enterprise. Input of talent power from a distance. The third core advantage is to greatly improve the operational flexibility and risk resistance of enterprises. Perfectly adapted to diverse business needs. The current market environment is changing rapidly and fluctuating, and many industries have obvious weaknesses. Tradition. The stationary pot mode is difficult to keep up with. Forget that there are not enough manpower to take more orders, but the personnel are idle, resulting in huge cost waste. The flexible employment model of working from home allows enterprises to rely on business volume, project cycle, market demand, rapid adjustment of manpower scale. During peak business seasons and peak projects, remote staff are rapidly recruited to ensure order delivery and service quality. It is reasonable for the business off-season project to end. Streamlining the work team does not need to undertake traditional shifts. Employee dismissal brings economic compensation, labor disputes, brand impact, and many other costs and risks. Truly realize human resources and dynamic and accurate matching of business needs is achieved whenever you need it. Use it and lose it, and more importantly, it is to face emergencies. For example, epidemics, extreme weather, natural disasters. Some offline offices such as urban control cannot be carried out normally. A mature home office team can ensure that the core business of the enterprise does not stop and work is not balanced. There will be no loss of orders due to offline shutdowns. Loss of customer credibility is damaged, which is critical to the long-term stable operation of the enterprise. In particular, it is distributed to online customer service line operators to operate new media for content creation. Data processing, user review requires 247 hours of uninterrupted service. Positions that respond around the clock. The home office mode can easily realize the cross-regional division of 17 off-peak duties. Comprehensively improve service coverage and customer satisfaction. Enable enterprises to maintain efficiency and stability in any environment.